How to log in to First Bank online banking. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Navigate to a trusted search engine such as google.com. In the search bar, type First Bank and press Enter. From the search results, click only on the official and trusted link for First Bank. Once on the login page, carefully enter your user ID in the designated field. In the next field, type your correct password. Use the Show Hide option if you wish to verify your password entry. Select your preferred banking type from the available options. If you would like the system to remember your credentials for future visits, toggle Remember User ID to On. To learn more about the quick login feature, click on Learn More. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on Forgot Password to begin the recovery process. New users may click on Sign Up to create an account. Finally, click Log In to securely access your online banking account.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.